Ryan.
I'm doing that.
Hey, Ryan, where are the cookies? Are the cookies supposed to go on the table?
Right, we're going to be busy to pick it up, huh?
One of the... Hey, Ryan, can you get one of the...
Right. Oh, he's poor thing, he's trying to get him.
Ryan, where are the cookies?
Nothing, I can't.
Where are the cookies?
I don't know, but she's
Are they falling?
She even missed
Oh.
Well, me and her both are very brain. Because I gotta
Say, oh man, the cookies fell down.
Because this finger doesn't work. How about that? No, I'm not sure.
Say, oh man, the
Very good. Here's the pack. Okay.
Oh yeah, he shot that.
Hello, Pat. That's a pretty bad. Speed. I can't even get it nowhere. Oh, missed that. Right, okay? Okay, let me see if I... Yeah. What's your hand, Michael? I'm not very good. There.
There's one there.
I have a... I don't know why my finger's crooked. No wonder it's crooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what
Where? You have to allow that. You have to give it a hook.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, right there. Oh. What like a lot.
Look at that.
Oh! Well, I got some wet and hit this and went back over there. What's that back? Oh!
Ryan, is this fun?
Whatever.